Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Quick English Talk, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and hello to all our listeners. I'm Mark. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Mark. I'm happy to be here. What about you?
I'm feeling fantastic. I'm really excited about today's topic. It's perfect for beginners.
Yes, today we're talking about easy ways to practice English through fun conversations.
That's right. Learning should always be enjoyable. We have a short dialogue for you.
Yes, it's a conversation between two friends. Listen carefully, and after that, we'll explain the ideas.
And don't forget, please subscribe to Quick English Talk. Like the video and share it with your friends.
Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. Dialogue, Sarah and Mark. Hi, Mark. What are you watching?
Hi, Sarah. I'm watching a show in English.
Oh, really? Do you understand everything?
Not everything, but I use subtitles. They help a lot.
Do you use subtitles in your language or in English?
At first, I used my language, but now I use English subtitles.
That sounds a bit hard.
Yes, a little, but it helps me learn new words in real English.
So watching shows can help me learn English.
Of course, you can learn natural sentences, pronunciation, and even slang.
That sounds fun, better than only reading grammar books.
Exactly. Learning should be fun. If you enjoy it, you learn faster.
Okay, I will try watching something in English tonight.
Great idea. Start with short episodes.
Should I write new words too?
Yes, but don't try to learn too many at once.
Maybe I can learn 5 new words from one episode.
Perfect. That's easy and practical.
I also want to repeat sentences aloud. Will that help?
Yes, speaking out loud improves your pronunciation and confidence.
Thanks, Mark. I feel more excited now.
You're welcome, Sarah. You will do great.
Okay, I have to go now. I'll start tonight.
Sounds good. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Discussion? Welcome back. I really liked that conversation.
Me too. It has simple and useful tips.
First, watching English shows is a great idea.
Yes, it feels like fun, not study.
You can see people, hear real conversations, and enjoy a story.
And you learn how people speak in real life.
But many beginners worrying they don't understand everything.
That's normal. You don't need to understand every word.
Right, you can understand from actions, emotions, and context.
Subtitles are very helpful here.
Start with subtitles in your language.
Then slowly switch to English subtitles.
This helps your brain connect sound and text.
It improves spelling and pronunciation.
At first, it may feel difficult.
But after some time, it becomes easier.
What kind of shows are good for beginners?
Cartoons and simple comedy shows are great.
Yes, they use easy language and clear speech.
Also, choose short episodes. 20 minutes is perfect.
After watching, write a few new words.
Not too many, maybe 5 words.
Write their meaning and make simple sentences.
For example, happy gives I am happy.
This helps you remember better.
And don't forget to speak.
Yes, repeat sentences aloud.
This improves your pronunciation and confidence.
You can pause the show and copy the speaker.
It's like acting, very fun.
All these steps together make learning easy.
Watch, listen, learn words, and speak.
And most important, enjoy the process.
Yes, when you enjoy learning, you improve faster.
We believe in you. You can do it.
Every small step is progress.
Repeat dialogue section. Let's listen one more time. Repeat same dialogue as above. Closing. That was great. I hope you feel motivated.
Remember, be patient and enjoy learning.
Thank you for joining Quick English Talk.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
And tell us what English show do you like.
We'd love to know.
Keep practicing and have fun.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.